We got to convert a temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. The good news about this is if you're ever stuck really on anything, there's a great online community where you can post questions like this to the internet, or even just look up other questions people have asked, and maybe you can learn something from the questions they asked. So I'm going to post a question about how to convert a temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit in Python on Stack Overflow. So I'll just post this right here, and we'll check back on that post a little bit later. If we'll see if anything has happened, and I'll post a link to this question in the video description. Let's have a look at the question. Convert a temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. And there's a link right here, and if you click the link, it'll take you to the formula on how to turn a temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. We just take the temperature in Celsius, multiply it by 1.8 or 9/5, and then add 32. So we need to now put this into code. So let's switch on over to our terminal, and let's take a look. So let's say we are taking the temperature 20 degrees Celsius, we multiply it by 1.8, and then we add 32. 68 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm pretty sure that's right. Now, there was another version of the formula we saw, where we take the temperature in Celsius, multiply it by 9/5, and add 32. But we get a very different answer. Now, why is that? Take a second and think about why. The reason why is, what is 9 divided by 5? It should be 1.8, right? But it's not. We have that type issue again, where it's an integer. So a way to solve this is to say 20 times 9.0 divided by 5 plus 32. There, now we're back at 68. Here's the thing with the way we've done it. It's very single purpose and it's not particularly general. What if we wanted to change the temperature from 20 degrees to 30 degrees? We would have to rewrite the whole thing, times 1.8 plus 32. And there's the answer, but we had to rewrite the whole thing. So let's use a variable. Let's put the value of the temperature in Celsius in a variable called C. So let's say C equals 30. Now I can say C times 1.8 plus 32, 86. And now if I want to change what the value of C is, all I have to do is this. C equals, let's change it back to 20. And let's rerun that code, C times 1.8 plus 32. Well, now the answer is 68. That makes sense, right? Because C is 20, and 20 times 1.8 plus 32 is 68. Let's have a quick look back at our Stack Overflow thing here. Yikes.